I'm sorry.
Isibongo sikaMakhekhe uNdlela.
Yes.
Yebo ngoba sasila sasekubo uMakhekhe noNcamuza.
Yes, as we were here, we had gone to them, Makhekhe and Ncamuza,
La isimkhona la ila waqashe khona uMakhekhe.
where we are standing. That is now on the photo itself. That's where Makhekhe was renting.
Yebo.
Yes.
uNcamuza wangakubo kwaMakhekhe eMtuba.
Ncamuza is from the same area as Makhekhe in Mtuba.
So ngoba sila sendlini kaMakhekhe.
Now, as we are here, we are at Makhekhe's house.
Thank you. What do you say about Constable Zungu's response when asked by my learned colleague, Advocate Maloya, about the occasion on photo or page 48 of Exhibit S? He said he does not have any idea, taking into account the fact that he says he was there with you. What should we say about his response?
Uthini-ke manje ngempendulo yakhe uConstable Zungu ngesikhathi ebuzwa uyena uAdvocate Baloyi ukuthi-ke lana-ke kwakuhlangenwe ngani la ku-48 wasephendula-ke yena ethi akazi uma ngabe ukhumbula-ke lokho akusho yena ukuthi-ke wayendawonye nawe kodwa-ke uma ngabe buzwa uthi akazi ukuthi-ke kwakuhlangenwe ngani la.
Angeke azazi ngoba vele wazange bebe.
He wouldn't know because indeed he was never there.
Azange nje ngize ngibe naye.
I was never with him.
Ukuba lento ekuthiwa yenze kuba yenzeka ngaleli langa la court ngabe ngithi ke leli langa ngaqala ngalokumazi ngalo.
Uphinde?
Ukuba kuthiwa lento yenzeka ngaleli langa efika la court
Okay.
lelibhokisi ngabe ngithi iyona into yakhuluma ngathi sasinayi lapho.
If what happened on the day that is now he was here in court or when he took to the witness dock, I would then say yes, that is the day on which I was with him.
Ngoba ngangemqala la ebhokisini la court.
Because it was my very first time when he was here in court in the witness dock.
Manje la ngeke azazi ukuthi okwenzakalani ngoba vele azange abe bikho.
Now here he would never know or he wouldn't know as to what was the occasion because he was never there.
Nalezi ithomba ekhomba uyikhombe ngoba eziboniswe uGininda.
Even the photos that he pointed them out because they were shown to him by Gininda.
Ngoba ushilo istatement wayesenza noGininda.
Because it did indicate that he made the statement with Gininda,
Istatement sakhe sinezithombe ngeinamba.
and his statement contains photos as well as numbers.
Okusho khona ukuthi uGininda wayelokhethe nje mngani wami nazi inamba nangu bani bani ku photo bani bani.
Which then is a clear indication that Gininda was indicating to him that, my friend, here is so and so in this picture, it's picture number so and so.
The fact, or you surmise,
Yinto lena oyisho ngoba uyicabangela noma uyisho ukuthi ngoba iyiqiniso.
uGininda uyophethe le case.
Gininda is the one that
yeah,
is.
I know that. I'm
what's
just
that?
asking you a simple question. Are you saying that as a fact, or you're surmising?
Ngiyakwazi lokho kodwa nje ngikubuza nje umbuzo olula ukuthi lokho okushoyo ukusho ngoba ukucabangela noma ukusho ngoba kuyiqiniso.
Angicabangela uba ngicabangela ngaba zekho izinamba zelokhuzana zayithombe la estatementini sikaZungu. Kusho ukuthi vele kwenzeka.
I'm not surmising, my lord, but if that was the case, then the numbers would not have been contained in Zungu's statement, which means or proves that indeed it happened.
Ukuba kweinamba zeyithombe estatementini okusho ukuthi lento le wayikhonjiswa vele.
For the numbers of the photos to be contained in his statement, which is a clear indication that this was shown to him.
Akasi umphenyi waleli cala uZungu.
Zungu is not the investigating officer of this matter,
Kodwa ukhuluma ngeinamba esedocketini
but he makes mention to numbers that are contained in the docket
ezayithombe.
of photos,
So kusho khona ukuthi waboniswa
which then indicates that he was shown.
ngoba ngeke vele azi nje inamba ekhanda lakhe engazange abonise ukuthi nazi inamba nazi ithombe nezinamba zazo.
Because he would never, from the top of his head, just know the numbers without him having been shown that here are the photos and here are their respective numbers.
Mr. Mapisa is going to contest the evidence of Constable Zungu when it is his turn to testify in his evidence in chief. We will leave the evidence of Constable Zungu for now.
Okwamanje ke sizobuyeka ubufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu kodwa ke mase kuyisikhathi sakhe sokuthi azokuthula ubufakazi umnumzana uMaphisa uzophikisana ke nobufakazi bakhe uConstable Zungu.
But his emphasis is going to testify in his defense that he was never in possession of a 9mm pistol on the 26th of October 2014.
Kodwa ke kuloko azogqila kukona ke kubufakazi bakhe azobethula ukuthi ke yena akaze nge-26 zika October 2014 aphathe i-9mm pistol.
Yebo.
Yes,
Anginayo azange ngibone futhi.
I was with him. I never saw him in possession of a firearm.
On that note, he's going to testify and tell this court that on the 26th of October 2014, he never saw you in possession of a 9mm pistol.
Kona lokho uzothi ke uma ethula ubufakazi bakhe ke atshele lenkantolo ukuthi ke ngalo lelo langa lo akazange akubone uphethe isibhamu ekuyi-9mm pistol.
Yebo, anginayo futhi azange ngiphathe isibhamu futhi phambi kwakhe azange abone futhi.
Yes, I was with him. He never saw me carrying a firearm in his presence or in front of him, and I was never in possession of a firearm.
He will further testify, Mr. Mngube, that on the 26th of October 2014, you did not jointly possess a firearm.
Uzophinda futhi ke atshele lenkantolo ukuthi ke ngazo i-26 zika October 2014 akuzange kwenzeke ke ukuthi ke nibe nesibhamu okanye noma ke niphathe isibhamu ngokuhlanganyela.
With your co-accused as per the which is the subject matter of count number 4 and 5, which relates to ammunition of the indictment. You will testify that you did not jointly possess a firearm, a 9mm pistol, which is the subject matter of counts 4 and 5 of the indictment, jointly with your co-accused before this court.
Nokuthi ke nanjengoba ke kuyinsolo ke noma ke uma ngabe kufundwa insolo ke kwicala lesine kanye futhi ke nelesihlanu ila ekhulunywa khona ke ngesibhamu khona ukuthi ke anikaze wena ke kanye futhi nabanye abasolwa ukuthi ke nibe nesibhamu leso sibhamu leso ke insolo zithi ke nani naso noma nani siphethe ngokuhlanganyela.
Yebo, into engekho vele.
Yes, that's something that doesn't exist.
In relation to the communication which was analyzed by Lieutenant Kenneth House, as per Exhibit DD5, capital letter B of the record, he says the following at 8.2.4 of that exhibit. He concedes the following, that using his number 071-395-3801, he was in contact with Muzga Ukulelo Stemba, CB accused number 1, in the number 079-379-0137, 14 times. There were 12 outgoing calls and 2 call forwards.
Concedes.
He was in contact with Mr. Sibia, accused number 1.
Kubufakazi bakhe ke uma seyiphendulela yena ke umnumzana uMaphisa kubufakazi obethulwa ke uLieutenant Colonel House mayelana ke nokuxhumana zosho ke nomzovuma ke yena umnumzana uMaphisa ukuthi ke ngenamba yakhe u-071 395 3801 impela waxhumana ke amahlandla awu14 ishumi nesine kanye naye umsolo woqala umuzi kaUkhulelwa Sibiya kwinamba 079 379 0137.
He will deny that using his number 071 395 3801, he was in contact with Fisogu Tlantuli, accused number 5, in the number 071 595 1239, 127 times, 125 outgoing calls and 2 SMSs.
Ayiphikiseke inkulumo ethi yena ke uMaphisa ngenamba yakhe u-071 395 3801 waxhumana nomsolwa wesihlanu uFisokuhle Ntuli kwinamba u-071 595 1239 amahlandla awu-127.
He will tell this court that when he was in contact or in communication with that number ending 1239, 127 times with 125 outgoing calls and 2 SMSs, he was in contact with Lungisani Ndwandwe.
Azokutshela lenkantolo ke ukuthi ke ngesikhathi yena ke exhumana nayo inamba leyana u-071 595 1239 lamahlandla awu-127 ekhulunywa ngawo ukuthi laphayana ke wayexhumana no Lungisani Ndwandwe.